AutocavoFleet users have the option to create notification alerts for a range of events. The notifications page is split into 3 categories: a general overview of rules setup, notification management, and notifications received. Notification rules can be created for entering or exiting geofences, ignition on or off, maintenance, check engine light, DTC code events, as well as vehicle idling, speeding, and harsh driving notifications. For all notifications, users can select whether the rule applies to all vehicles or select vehicles within the account. The default notification method is the list of alerts in the My Notifications tab. Users can also choose to receive alerts by email and by SMS. All notification rules created can be found in the Manage Notification Settings tab. In this section, users can edit the trigger constraints, notification methods, and notification names. The autocavoFleet notification system helps provide you with the right vehicle information to save time and money for your business.